Okay, it's time to try the mangoes that I picked earlier today. So this is the mahachanook that I bought from Plantogram 10 years ago. And it looks like there's a little crack here due to maybe overwatering. But it smells pretty good. And this one, I don't know if it's a mahachanook or not. It looks the same to me, like in terms of the shape. This one is from another tree inside the greenhouse, but I don't know if I grafted the mahachanook onto that tree and it was because of the result of that or something else. I don't know. Anyway, this one I picked it green while it was still green a week ago. Okay, and this one was picked earlier today, and it's a little bit pinkish here, and I'm gonna try it now because I don't want to keep it for too long because of the crack here. Okay, so first I'm gonna try. This one has a pretty good floral smell to it. Okay, this one smells a little bit different. The crack here, some kind of a fragrant smell, but I couldn't tell what it is. So I'm gonna try this one. It smells really good. Oh wow, has a really interesting smell. Wow, reminds me of the mango in Asia or in Thailand that I used to eat a long time ago. It has that smell to it. Wow. There you go. So both of the fruits here are from the same inside a greenhouse on a different tree. I don't know if they're from the same. Variety or not. Okay. Sweet. Fragrant. Very sweet. No fiber. A bit floral. Fiberless. I mean, seedless. Look at the seed. I don't think there's any seed inside. Oh yeah, let's see. Ta-da! Look at that. It's like seedless. No seeds. Interesting. No seed at all. I couldn't find the embryo. Okay, so let's try this one. It's still firm. The other one was soft earlier. This one is still firm. So a little bit soft right here. This part is a bit soft. Doesn't have that quite of a strong smell as the other one, because the other one I think is much more ripe. This one's still green. Anyway, I'm gonna try this and see. Doesn't have any taste to it. Maybe because it's still green. Fiberless. Maybe I should have let it sit on a counter for a few more days. Totally fiberless. Zero flat fibers. The earlier one has a stronger fragrance to it. This is more ripe. This one, no fragrance. Not, I mean, it does, but it doesn't have strong fragrance as the earlier one. So, yeah. I ate this one, it was green, totally crunchy. It was a bit sour. This part, a bit crunchy, a bit sour to it. I'm trying to finish it so that I can open up this seed to see if it's the same thing like the other one. No seed. So looks like I'm not gonna be able to find any seed in there too. So let me see. Open it up. Okay, let's see this. Oh, you look at the bees. That bee wants my mango too. Okay. See if I can get this to open up. Okay, here we go. Same thing. No seed inside. There you go. Seedless mango. There you go. Seedless mango. No seeds. Interesting, huh? Just a husk. That's it.